I am not responsible for any damages associated with this video to any equipment. Okay, what you want to do is you want to download the laser interface and the printer drivers. It doesn't matter where you get them from, as long as they work. During the installation process, you're going to have to run as administrator. And also during the installation process, it is a good idea to have the machine plugged in. You're going to select your model and your type. It's going to prompt you to install 3 times. Install, and towards the end of this, it's going to prompt you to install with a robot, or continue to install with a robot. Agree to it. Then your computer is going to reset, and the interface should be on your desktop. If it isn't, you're going to have to reset, uninstall the drivers, and then try to reinstall again. Now in Autocad, you're going to save the DWG file to your desktop as you can name it whatever you want, but it is advisable to give it a good name, like a main template laser or something associated with it. Now in the layers, what you're going to do is you're going to create 3 layers. One of them called cut, another one called mark, and the last one being engrave. The laser is color sensitive, so cut is going to be red, mark is going to be blue, and engrave is going to be white. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw out your cutting bed. The laser that we have is 16 by 12. So I'm going to draw out a 16 by 12 square. And it's very important to keep this on layer 0. Layer 0 will not print. Now you're going to go to your laser, then you're going to use default paper size. Then you're going to go to properties, modify paper size, then modify. Then you're going to make the margins all 0. Okay, it's very important to save as PC3 file. If you do not, your work will be lost. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to plot style table. You're going to tell it new. Then start from scratch. You name it whatever you want. Laser is a good idea. Then you're going to go to plot style table editor. Then the whole goal for this is to make your line solid and to have a line weight of 0.001 inches. Okay. You're going to go to edit line weight, and you're going to change to inches. Then edit 0.001 inches. Okay. Now you're going to select the first one, scroll all the way down. Hold down Shift, select the last one. You're going to change your line weight, and then your line type. And then save and close. It is a good idea to check out, see if everything went out alright. It looks like it did. So save and close. Finish. And then you want to plot from window. So select window, select one corner to the other corner, and apply to layout, and that should make it permanent. Now, to test to see if the interface and Autocad are communicating right, draw a 1x1 cube in the upper left corner. It is recommended to try out all the layers to see if the interface is working right. If like say the interface the lines are blurry, then you may have a problem with your line weight. But everything looks good here, so send it to go print. And then we have a 1x1, so we're good. To test to see if the machine and the interfaces are working, just plug in the machine, turn it on. If it already automatically goes to idle, you're good. If you press the button and it initializes and then goes into idle, you're still good. Just press it another time and the machine should start up automatically.